So what scale is this, Andrew?
It's 1/32nd, so it's the same scale as the HP-42 and the Vulcan.
Nice.
And it weighs 400 grams.
400 grams?
400 grams, and it's got the receiver is from a UMX A10,
Yep.
which has been cannibalised. I'm still using the same two speed controllers on that board, but they're now running two propellered in the outer nacelles, taken the jets that it first flew with, taken out.
Right. Okay, look forward to the demo flight.
Give it a try.
We're having a short break while the judges go through a fluid change. We're just looking at the scores and they're about to come up on the screen, so I can give you an idea of who's done what in the first round. But in the meantime, while we play with numbers, Andrew White has very kindly offered to give us a demo flight of his VC10. So this is a real treat, so if you've got anybody off at the coffee machine, tell them to get back. But hopefully Andrew will fly again later this afternoon. So take it away, Andrew.
Now he's smiling.
I didn't need zoom for that pass.
Big round of applause for Andrew.
Fantastic.
The model's just a touch too big for him here. It's a bit of a handful as you've probably gathered. So, Andrew, tell us a bit about Vulcan. VC10.
After the Vulcan, I thought let's try something else using the same components. So before it was the two. VC10 was the obvious choice. I always liked the airplane. But we flew outside with 4 EDFs very successfully, 500 grams, far too fast, far too heavy for indoor. So I've scaled it back, jets are now out, 2 propellers instead, drop the flaps, take a receiver out, take a battery out, and now I'm down to 400 grams. Still nowhere near competitive weight, but I mean, it does float around. So it's a bit of a challenge. I was tempted to try a figure 8, but better on it.
So, how long has it taken to build?
This was a winter project, winter before last. It was the first thing I did after I retired. So it went together quite quickly from October through to March of 2022. It's flown outdoors more than in. I've got micro aces, lights on the wingtips and the tail, steerable nose leg. The undercarriage is set up to be modified for retract, but of course then the weight would go up again. So I don't want to do that.
That's brilliant. Thank you, Andrew.
Thank you, Jack.
Everybody around the corner, Andrew again. Thank you.